Hello students, now welcome to today's maths class. Today we will be looking at solving simple equation with inverse flow diagram. This is a continuation of the topic of JS1 under the Lagos State Scheme of Work. So today, like I said, our topic is solving simple equation with inverse flow diagram. So let's look at this table that I have here. This table that I have there, I know some of you are familiar with what we have here. But what I want us to see is that we have something that looks like what you should do in your English and maths class, where you have your words here and you have the opposite. So here in mathematics, we call this place operation and this other side inverse. So this inverse simply means opposite. So what you have here now is add. When you add, the opposite of add is to subtract. The opposite of add is to do what? To subtract. And here, to subtract, opposite of it is to add. Or the inverse of addition is subtraction. The inverse of subtraction is addition. So here, multiply. Let me put the sign, multiply. The inverse of multiply is to divide. The inverse of divide is to multiply. What do you mean by this table? This table is telling us that the operation you perform here, you can always undo it by using the inverse of the operation, by moving backward to where you are coming from. Let's say, for example, if I have add 3 to 2, let's say 2, then I add 3 to it, and this will give me what? 5. Then I can always, this is addition here, then I can always look for the opposite, the inverse of this addition. Then if I put that inverse here and I say I minus it with 3, what am I going to have? I'm going to come back to where I'm coming from. Coming from 2, I have added 2 to what? To 2, and has given me 5. Then I am taking the inverse here, which is addition. The inverse here is minus now. I'm now taking the inverse and I've subtracted it to give me back to where I am coming from. Likewise, you multiply. If I say 2 times 4, it will give me 8. Then if I divide by what I have used to multiply, then it will come back to that 2. So that is what the meaning of this table. That is what we want to look at under the inverse flow diagram. And I want to believe and should pay attention. You are not going to have any problem in solving question under inverse flow diagram. We want to have this example. And this example, how to use inverse flow diagram. So we want to solve this equation. And how do we do it? I want to follow my steps. Now for us to solve it, we will start from your left hand side. I know by now you know the left hand side of the equation. So you start from your left hand side. And the very unknown we start with. We start with the very unknown in that left hand side of the equation. So let's see. So here we have 4x plus 3 equals to 15. Then I will start with x. Then what did I do to x? I put it here. What I did with x will be what will be in my next box. So I create a box. What did I do to this x? I multiply by 4. I want to notice this s I have here is a small letter, and this one that I have here is the multiplication sign. Then I create the other arrow. After I multiply this with this, what will I have? Then what I have, my answer that I'm going to have, I'll put it up here. That will be 4x. And I put another arrow. After I have 4x, look at it. I've added my 4x. I've multiplied 4 with this x. I've added my 4x. What did I do next? The 3 was added, so plus 3. And will add 3. Then what will I have up? I put my arrow and go somewhere. What will I have up here? Then I have 4s plus 3. Then what will be their final answer? 15. Somebody get what I just done? I multiply s with 4. I have my 4s. Then I add 3. All what I am doing, and put them in the box. My answer is up. Then I have 15. Then now I want to use diagram, inverse flow diagram. Let me write it. Inverse flow diagram. Inverse flow diagram. You will now need to start from your right hand side because you are revising. You are coming back where you are coming from, where you are coming from here. So you now need to reverse. You will do what? You will reverse. So you now start from our right hand side. We are moving from our left hand side. Now we are now coming back coming from our right hand side. So I start with 15. Then what did I do? What will I do to this 15? Now, what did I do here? We added 3. Then what will be the inverse of this plus? It's minus. So you put it here in the box. That you have what? You have minus 3. When we minus 3, what do we have? You put your arrow, you have 12. You understand? Inverse of, we add 3 here to this. It gave us 15. Then you now take away that 3 from 15. It's giving us 12. So what do you now do next? Come back here. How did we get this 4s? You multiply by 4. Then now what are you going to now do? Even you have multiplied by 4. What do you now do here? You now divide by 4. You divide by 4. So when you now use 4 to divide this, what are you going to have? Somebody telling me the answer. I'm going to have what? 3. So what will be the final answer? This is the final answer because as you are following the diagram, you have now come back to where we are coming from. So therefore, our s is what? S is equals to 3. So let's see. I've multiplied s with 4. I've 4s. I have added 3 to it. And give me 4s plus 3. And then it has given me 15 according to the statement that we have here. And I have come back here. I have subtracted 3 from 15. I have 12. And I now divide this 12 by what? By 3. I have 3. Therefore, our s is equals to 3. So the value of our s in this equation now is what? Is 3. So that is how to follow inverse flow diagram. You start from your left hand side, and you come back from your right hand side. So let's take one more example. So let's have example 2. Here we have 9y plus 2 equals to what? 20. So let's have it using that same method. I'm not going to say much here. I want to follow me. So you pick your y. Then what do you now do to that y? You put it in the box. You multiply by 9. What if you multiply by 9? What are you going to have up here? That will be 9y. What do we do to 9y again? Next thing we do to it, we add 2. Then you put it up that you have add 2. That will be 9y plus 2. What do you now have? 20. You see that? Straightforward, very simple. Then now use the inverse flow now. Inverse flow diagram. Inverse flow diagram. So let's see. Start from now. Where are you going to start from? Your right hand side. So you pick your 20. Then you take your arrow. What do? You have add 2 here. What are you now going to do? Put it in the box. let me make my box to be bigger than this so I can see it. So we put it in the box, minus 2. We have add 2 to 9 here. So you minus 2. What will be the answer? Write it up here, 18. Then what do we now do here? Before we get this 9y, we multiply. Then what are we going to do? You divide. Good of you. Somebody is following me. You divide by what? By that 9. When you divide by that 9, what are you going to have? Good of you, we are going to have 2. Therefore, what is the value of our y? Therefore, y equals to 9. Sorry, y equals to what? 2. Y equals to 2. Can you see the way it's being used? Now, y equals to 2. So, it's simple when you understand. It's no logic there. It's just simple. Just too simple. So, I want to give you one more example, final example. So that you don't tell that I didn't give you that example. When I ask you to take your test, you can work on it. So let's have the last example I'm going to be giving under inverse flow diagram. So solution. Let's have the last example. This is the last example is y divided by 4 plus 3 equals to what? 5. So what do we do first? Pick our y. Then the next thing is what? What do you do to it here? We divide y by 4. Somebody is already giving me answer. What will now be the answer? When we divide, that will be y over 4. So you put your arrow. Next thing we do, we add what? We add 3. Thank you. So when we add 3, what will be up here? So we are going to have y over 4 plus 3. What will be the final answer? 5. Then the next I'm going to do is to do what? Inverse it. Reverse, or you come back. So inverse flow diagram. So what are you going to start from? Start from our right hand side, 5. Then you put your arrow. What do we do to it? What do you do? Inverse of plus here, plus 3 will be what? Minus 3. What will be the answer? Will give us 2. Yes, am I correct? Then what do we now do here? We divide here. Before we have this, what are we going to now do? What is the inverse of division? This is the right side. Multiplication. So you put it there. So you multiply 4 times 2, not 4x, 4 times 2. What will it give us? It will give us 8. Therefore, our y is what? Our y is equals to 8. Can you see the way it's being used? If you have your textbook, I want to believe that your textbook, you have more than enough questions to practice. Practice it, solve a lot of questions. Thank God for the textbook you have now, you can check answer at the back. Check your answer, you have somebody around you that can mark for you. And as you are doing this, you get used to it. And before you know it, math become a fun, become things you naturally give out from your head. And as you are doing this, math is fun.
Yeah.